Good evening, everyone. This is Cherie Horrible from Chering Eden. Just want to connect bases with you today. I'm sitting out on the patio in my house, just sitting here relaxing and going through some of my videos. Still haven't seen a lot of subscribers. I've been putting different videos from the church to designing to just everyday events. I just wanted to touch bases with everybody and give you a good view of what's going on. Since I've retired from the post office, I've been sitting out here doing my design work. I got 3 bedrooms I'm doing. So excited for you to see them. I'm doing my one of my niece's bedroom, doing my 2 of my granddaughter's bedroom, and just having fun, enjoying life. Just got back from Minnesota and just sitting here chilling. Went to a convention in Terre Haute. Sent you some video excerpts on that and some videos for Pastor Dwight Harwell. He's doing his thing. We also, Wednesday, we had an interesting day. We went to the Women of Hope Center. It's a very huge facility. It's way out on Brookville Road. Don't know where the Lord's taking us with that, but I'm enjoying that. You see my t-shirt. These are my t-shirts that my daughter made, Ladder House Ministries, sitting out here trying to figure out which direction I'm going with my YouTube channels. Right now I have 2 of them, and just doing some new things. If you notice, I'm doing my dreads. They're locking, doing good with that. Just enjoying myself, doing some things that I've been wanting to do for a long time. Hoping that this video get the message out to everybody, that you'll go to my subscribe. My challenge is to get 1,000 subscribers. I got a long way to go, but I know God's able, and He know what my journey is. So I just want to thank everybody. I also do have a website with CheringEden.com. It's through WordPress. You can always put in WordPress and put my name in there, and it'll come up. And my YouTube channels is Chering Eden. Just sharing a little Eden with you. My sister gave me that name because I was doing some design work for her house. This has been years ago. And I just thank God for her and what she's doing and what we're doing in our lives right now. And I just want you to enjoy what I put online. Enjoy my funny videos. Enjoy my serious videos. Just enjoy and hope that it will inspire somebody. I just want to touch bases with you today. Might go to a fair tonight. Who knows? My allergies are acting up, so I don't know if I'm going to do that. I'm not trying to smell all that in that hay. But anyway, I just want to touch bases with everybody. Let them know I had a wonderful time at the conference in Minnesota and in Terre Haute. Blessed in the Lord. Just highly favored to be with 3 supervisors. Supervisor Darling Stone and Supervisor Hayes and the supervisors from Louisiana. We just had a good time in the Lord. I'm telling you, God just came through and blessed in a mighty way. And I will load those videos up that my husband did excerpts of them, of Mother Stone and Evangelist Joyce Rogers and myself. I just thank God. I will be hosting a luncheon for Mother Darling Stone and Sister Bonet, Evangelist Bonet, and Evangelist Connie Powell. We'll be at my house on the 24th of August. So just pray for us that we'll do what God has us to do. All right? Okay, you have a blessed day and peace.